Good morning, student. After some vacation, we are going to see once again our new chapter for the second semester. Second semester we will start with the chapter number 8, decimals. Okay, decimals. What is decimal? Already you have studied in lower section, in 5th standard, 4th standard. Decimal means a number with decimal point in between the numbers, in between the given numbers. Now a point is there in between a given number means that is called decimal number. And you have seen decimal number. Before the decimal point, what you call? That is whole number part. Whole number part. See, before the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, it is called whole number part. And after the decimal, it is called decimal part, decimal numbers. After the decimal, it is called decimal number. And we have studied already about the place value of each number. Once again, you will recollect it, which you are going to see in this chapter. What is the place value? How to convert the decimal into fraction? How to convert the fraction into decimal? And how to point the decimal number on the number line? And what are the place value of the given decimal number? How to add? How to multiply? How to subtract? How to divide? All this procedure we are going to see in the decimal chapter. And related to the decimal, we are going to see about the word problem related to the how to convert the decimal point. Kilogram, 5.6 kilogram, that point number and all, how to add, how to multiply, that and all we are going to see in this chapter in decimals. Decimal means what? A given number, in between the number points are given means, then it is called a decimal number. And decimal number will be having two parts. One is whole number part, another one is decimal part. In whole number part, there won't be any decimal. In decimal part, the number will be starting after the decimal point. Okay. So here in the example, what I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 point 5, 6, 7. I have taken 3 digits here after decimal. Then how to pronounce the whole number part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Before the decimal point, that is called whole number part. And after the decimal is called decimal numbers. And decimal number, how to pronounce the decimal after the point? 0.5, 6, 7. Each number you have to pronounce. You should not pronounce like 0.567. You have to pronounce as 0.567. Each digit you have to pronounce. So 1234.567. Single digit you have to pronounce. Then what is the place value coming in this example? What I have taken? In the above example, what is given? 1, 2, 3, 4.567. What are the place value? As you know, before the decimal, what we call last number 4, ones digit. And before 4, it is tens digit. And before 3, it is 100 digit. And before 2, fourth digit, it is called 1000 digit. Then it will be 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It will be increasing in the whole number part. In decimal part, what you call? Already we are studying in 5th and 6th standard. And in the first chapter also we are studying. What is that? 0.5. 5 is the 10th division. And 0.566 is the 100th division. That is what? And 0.567, third digit 7 is called 1000th division. So from the point, the 5 is called 10th, 6 is called 100th, and 7 is called 1000th division. How can we write? What is the meaning of that part? 0.5. That is equal to 5 upon 10. That is why it is called 10th division, 10th digit. And 0.06, because we added 0.5, you are adding, it will become 0.56. So 6 upon 100, that means 60 point. 2 digit is there after decimal. So 6 upon 100. So 100th digit. Then you see the third digit 7.007. 7 upon 1000. So 1000th digit. Understood? So this is the place value of the given number. First part. Then second, how to represent? You know, in the scale you can represent. 2 cm means you can draw 0 to 2. 3 cm means 0 to 3. Like that you will mark. Same thing, representing the decimal number on number line. How to represent the numbers, point number on the number line? See example 0.7, 0.7, 1.3, 2.3. Three examples I have taken. So I have drawn one number line. You know about number line. It will be starting, middle 0 will be there, both side positive one side, negative one side. Right hand side will be positive, left hand side will be negative. I have taken positive number. So what I have done? 0 to 1, 2, 3 centimeter scale I have taken on the number line. You know, from 0 to 1 unit, 10 division will be there. And 1 to 2 unit, 10 division will be there. And 2 to 3 unit, 10 division will be there. And 0 to 1 means what it will start? 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, then it will be increasing up to 1. Then after 1 it will call as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 up to 2 it will go. And after 2 it will go 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 up to 3 it will go. So your number line is increasing. According to our number I have taken the scale. So where is 0.7? 0.7 where it will come? 0 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have marked here 7. So this is 0.7, 0 to 1, less than 1. Okay. Then 1.3. So after 1, 3 division you have to mark it 1.3. Then 2.3, 2. After 2, 3 division I have marked 2.3. So this is the way of representing a decimal number on the number line. First part. Second, write in the decimal according to the place value. How to write the given decimal number according to the place value? How? Example I have taken here. 31.5. So in that 1.5 is decimal part, 31 is whole number part. So in that one whole number, last digit is unit. 3 is 10. So I have written 1's unit, 10's unit, and 0.5 it is coming after point. So it is 10th unit, that is 5 upon 10 unit. Okay. 7.56. Here only one digit is there, that is 1's unit. 7. After point we are having 5 and 6. So 5 is 10th unit and 6 is 100th unit. 132.45. Here 3 digits is there, whole number part, and 2 digit is there in the decimal part. 2, 3 digit, what is that? 1's, 10's, 100. So 2 is 1's, 3 is 10's, and 100 is 1 is the 100th unit. And here after decimal we are having 2 digit. One is 4 coming under 10th because 0.4. And second one 0.05, that is 100th unit. So 4, 5. 10th unit is 4, 100th unit is 5. Then simple number I have taken 7.5. One whole number, one digit decimal number. So we are taking 7.5. 7 is the 1's digit and 0.5 is the 10th digit. Okay. This is the way of writing according to the place value given decimal. According to the place value, how can write? Separate each number after decimal and before decimal. According to the place, you have to enter into the 1's unit, 10's unit, 100's unit, or 10th unit or 100th unit you have to write. Okay. And next step, what you are going to study in the decimal? Writing statement into a decimal. They will give in words and you have to convert it into decimal. So a simple example, one example I have taken. 3 1's and 6 10th. 3 1's and 6 10th. 3 1's means what? 3 1's digit. So only 3 is there. Plus of 6 tenths. 6 tenths means what? 6 upon 10. That means after decimal point it is coming. 10 means after decimal point, first digit. So 3 plus of 6 upon 10. 6 upon 10 means what? Upon 10 means 1 digit is the decimal point. So 3.6. Your answer will be 3 1's 6 tenths means 3.3 1's 0.6. That is 6 10. Okay. That is one example for converting the word statement into a decimal number. The next conversion, converting given number into decimal form. Suppose number is given in different form, addition form. How we can add and we can make the decimal form. One example I have taken. 40 plus of 7 plus of 3 upon 10. 40 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number, we can add. So it will become 47. Plus of one fraction number. Fraction is 3 upon 10. That means 10th digit. So 47 plus of 3 upon 10 means 47.3. Understood? 3 upon 10 means it is 10th digit. That means 1 upon 10 form it will come. So 0.3. Any number upon 10 means it is 0.3. Any number upon 100 means it is 0.0. 2 digit you have to move. 0.06. Any digit upon 1000 means suppose single digit is there 0.007 we have to write. So here 0.3 upon 10 is there. So 47.3. Okay. Then next conversion to the decimal, what you are going to see? Converting fraction into decimal point. How to convert? Suppose one fraction I have given 33 upon 5. A bigger number upon smaller number. How to convert into decimal point? You have to divide. You know normal division. 33 should be divided by 5. So I am dividing by normal division. What I am doing? Inside the division bracket I have taken 33. 5 I have taken outside. I am dividing. First 6 times 30. 3 remainder. 3 cannot divide by 5. So I am putting point, adding 1 0. Then 6 times once again 30 0. So what is the decimal point here? When 33 divided by 5, you will be getting 6.6 as a decimal. Same in the second method, what we can do? Simple method. Convert the denominator into 10 multiples. If it is 10 means, if it is 100 means, easily you can put point there directly. So I am converting here 33, 5, we have multiple of 10. So 5 into 2, we will get 10. Same 2 you have to multiply the numerator number. 33 into 2, 66. As we know, any number upon 10 means 1 digit you have to put decimal. So 66 upon 10 means 6.6. See this and this method, same answer you will get. Okay, either by division method you can do or by converting into 100 or 10 multiples and put the decimal point directly to convert into decimal number. Okay, so this is the starting point in the decimal chapter, starting introduction part of the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers means what? A number which containing a point in between the number is called a decimal number, and decimal number if the point is there before the point it is called as a whole number part, and after the point is it called a decimal part. And in decimal, in the whole number part, you know whole number will contain ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that it will be increasing. In decimal part it will be going in tens. After first digit is tens digit. 6 is the second digit is 100th digit. Third digit is 1000th digit. Fourth digit is 10,000th digit. Like that it will be increasing. And which form it will be there? 0.5 means 5 upon 10. That is 10th digit. 0.06 means 6 upon 100. Upon 100 means it is 100 digit. Second digit after the decimal. If it is a third digit after the decimal, we can write it as 7 upon 1000 here in the example. Then we have seen how to represent the decimal number on the number line, and what is the place value of the decimal number and the whole number part, and writing the statement into decimal. One statement will be given in words, converting to statement decimal number also we have seen, and converting the given number, some whole number, some fraction number is given, how to convert into decimal number that we have seen, and converting fraction into a decimal. One is dividing or another one is converting into 10 multiples the denominator and putting directly how many zeros are there, that many zeros point we can put. Okay, up to this one today we will start and we will continue with the next class exercise problem. Okay, thank you.